Welcome back to my channel. I'm Christina, founder of Jouer Cosmetics, lover of all things beauty, lifestyle, fashion, of course traveling. As you know, I do a lot of traveling and I've kind of perfected the airport outfit. I wanted to share with you my favorite ways to travel so that I feel comfortable. Ultimately, travel days are hell. I mean, they are just, I don't love travel days. They are really tough. You want to feel comfortable. I don't know how long I'm going to be on a layover, how long I'm stuck at the airport, different airports, different temperatures. I want to keep comfortable. So these are my tactics and my outfits for traveling in general, what I wear to the airport. So the first item I want to talk about, these are what I call my airport pants. Yes, my airport, I generally don't wear these in real life. I only wear these when I travel. They're so versatile. They're so comfortable. These are my airport pants. They are a very soft, stretchy, flexible fabric. I can sit in them. I could do yoga in them if I wanted to. They're like an elevated legging. They're not as tight as a legging on the leg. They have all of the different elements of a pair of pants. They've got a button, they've got a zipper, they've got belt hoops, they've got front pockets and back pockets. You look pulled together. It's a way to look a little bit more elevated, but you are so comfortable in these pants. They are not a legging, but they feel like a legging. They feel better than a legging because sometimes leggings are tight. These are just like the ultimate travel pant. I bought them on Amazon. Of course, I'm gonna have everything linked below. They have a hemmed bottom and they go with all kinds of different shoes. I'm showing you these pants a couple of different ways. The first way is with a pair of ballet flats because a lot of times that's what I'm wearing when I travel. So I generally keep to 3 different pairs of shoes when I travel. I will rarely travel in sandals. I don't like to have open-toed shoes when I'm flying. I just feel like airplanes are dirty, airports are dirty. Just like, I feel better with a closed-toed shoes. Even if it's a really warm climate, unless it's a really quick flight, like a 45-minute puddle jumper, I won't wear sandals. I wear ballet flats, sneakers, or boots. So I'm showing you here with my ballet flats, which if I'm traveling just about anywhere, I've always got a pair of Chanel ballet flats in my bag because they are the ultimate slip-on and go shoe. Unless I'm in a snowy place, these are coming with me. The ballet flat is a great elevated way to travel. I generally put on a little like compression sock, like a pantyhose-ish knee-high sock, just to keep like the blood flowing, just to feel cleaner. I'm telling you, sometimes I just feel like airplanes are, they're nasty. I'm wearing these ballet flats with my long-sleeved t-shirt. I've had this for at least 10 years. It's a pricier shirt, but like compared to a Skims shirt, it's similar. It is a long-sleeved, deliciously soft, like a cloud, yummy t-shirt. It is the ultimate layering piece. So comfortable, and I just feel great in it when I'm on an airplane. It's also long, so it's a little bit longer than a regular t-shirt. Throwing it on with my pair of pants and the ballet flat, and this is perfect little travel airport outfit. Always also looking for outfits that can be repeated for nighttime. I've talked about it before. 1 bottom per day, change the shoes and shirt for night, and you've got 2 outfits in one. And these pants are super versatile. I'm showing you these pants also with a high heel. It's actually a kitten heel. It's a way to dress it up. I've thrown it on with a cardigan and a little clutch bag, and this is perfectly fine for nighttime. It's a great pant. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. This is the ultimate pant. You can wear them with sneakers, you can wear them with ballet flats, you can wear them with sandals, you can wear them with heels. Airport pants. I call them my airport pants for a reason. They never let me down at the airport. The next pant I'm going to talk to you about is a jogger. These are Lululemon joggers. They have an elastic waistband. They have pockets as well. They are so soft and yummy, and they have a gathered bottom. Look slightly more elevated than a legging. I throw it on with a t-shirt, throw it on with a pair of sneakers or ballet flats or anything really I want to wear, and they go all through the trip. I always need something to wear. I call them like lobby clothes. I know that sounds crazy, but if you're staying in a hotel and let's say you have to run to the lobby for some reason to like pick up something or talk to the concierge or whatever, you need a little quick something to throw on that's not a full outfit, but like you gotta run, gotta get out the door quickly. Throw these on. They're just a little bit more elevated than a sweatpant. Throw it on with a t-shirt. You look pulled together. You can put literally any shoe with these pants and it looks good. Leggings are a great way to travel. Sometimes they're a little bit more sporty than the way I want to feel, like the way I want to get off of an airplane. But I also find that there are different ways to wear the leggings that dress them up or dress them down. I'm wearing these leggings for winter, wearing my long sleeve Enza Costa shirt, and I'm putting on my boots with the leggings. These are actually Amazon leggings. These are my favorite ones that I've ever found. They've got pockets on the side. You can wear them, work out in, you can wear them to go out in. They just fit really well. They look beautiful. They're a little bit of a thicker material so you don't feel too exposed. They kind of just suck you in. It's the perfect situation. I always, if I'm bringing a pair of boots on the trip, I'm 99% of the time going to be wearing the boots on the airplane. I don't want to take up space in my carry-on. You know, I'm a carry-on girl, so I want to wear the boots on the plane, wear your heaviest boots. If I need to, if I don't want to wear boots on a long flight, I will still wear them to the airport. And in my fantastic carry bag, I will put a pair of slippers in here. I'm going to take the boots off, put the slippers and a big fluffy pair of socks on, and I'll wear those for the flight. That way you don't really have to wear a boot the whole time you're flying, but it's fantastic. And this bag fits everything in it, even a pair of boots with whatever else you've got going. And then I'm also showing the leggings with a Chanel ballet flat. It is, once again, just such a great way to elevate your outfit. Put them on with leggings. Don't think twice about it. If you don't want to wear sneakers, you don't have to. You can still look elevated. Throw on a little blazer, throw on a nicer jacket, and it just raises the whole outfit up, and you're comfortable and you look chic. I'm showing you with these leggings also the Jouer bag, which I just told you about with the boots. The Jouer bag, this is my ultimate airport must-have. This is a black nylon bag with gold hardware and a ton of pockets, and it's expandable. So it looks really big here. It goes under any seat because it's smushable. So no matter what you put in there, you can kind of smush and make it fit under the seat. You can also check it if you need to, but we're carrying on. We're not checking. It's got a ton of pockets on the inside. It's got multiple pockets on the inside. It's got a pocket on the outside. This is where I keep extra sunglasses, reading glasses. I've got face masks. I've got pens, pencils. I always put a backup charger in here, 2 little pockets within this zippered pouch. Zipper down here expands the whole bag. You get like 5 inches of extra cubic space, which makes it really big. Once again, I've done this and have never had to check it. It goes from basically this to this, which adds a whole huge gigantic layer, and it's so incredibly helpful. I put my tote bags inside of this bag when I'm traveling, and that way I can carry this, my carry-on, and I always have my crossbody with me. It's just the best travel bag. Also, it's light, so it's not adding a lot of weight to my situation because I'm carrying bags myself. Next up, let's talk blue jeans. Blue jeans are a must when I travel. I would say 99% of the time, I've always got a pair of blue jeans coming with me on the trip because they just are that thing that you can always rely on. You can dress them up, you can dress them down. These are my favorite for traveling because just look pulled together no matter what city you're in. They are the Levi straight leg original fit 501s. I just like the way they kind of pull me in. They have a very straight leg. I can wear them with my ballet flats. I can wear them with my sneakers. I can wear them with sandals. Anything I want to do. I put like a blouse, a t-shirt. No matter what, I'm wearing my blue jeans. And for the airport, I'm going to wear a white t-shirt with these jeans and throw on a black blazer and my Chanel ballet flats, and that is the ultimate travel outfit. It looks like you're pulled together. You look like you're just ready to jump off the airplane and go. I don't like to look too sloppy when I'm traveling, and this is just a way to still wear jeans but look pulled together. Love the Levi 501s. Are really great jeans to have in your jean wardrobe. One of the ways that I'm showing you these jeans is definitely a cozy, comfy way to travel, and that is with my tank top and a yummy cozy sweater. This is a cardigan. It is a cream colored, really beautiful, and I'm combining it with a pair of brown suede loafers. They are not actual suede, but I'm gonna link these. You're not gonna believe the price. They are so good, and I just think it's a very elegant yet cozy way to travel. Next outfit I'm gonna show you for the airplane. It's more of a spring summer outfit, and it's also something I probably would not wear on a long haul flight, anything above 5 hours. This is a cream. It's not a white. And these are really great jeans because they have a little bit of stretch in them, always super comfortable. I love that. And I'm pairing it with a white button-down shirt, which when I travel, I almost always have a white button-down shirt with me because once again, it is another timeless, effortless, pulled together look. You can throw it on with literally anything. Jean shorts, perfect. Black pants and a gold necklace and a heel, dinner. Like a white blouse is part of like a capsule wardrobe. I should really come up with a travel capsule wardrobe. Paired this with a pair of Chanel ballet flats because once again, ballet flats, they just go with you anywhere, look chic, look pulled together. Traveling, we want to like pare down and keep it easy on ourselves. The next thing I want to talk about is this little white set, and I honestly don't know why I'm so overexposed right now, you guys. I really apologize. I don't know anything about filming, and it shows. It is a little two-piece set that I absolutely adore. It is a little top and a pair of pants in a very silky pleated kind of material that does not wrinkle ever. Literally just scrunch it up if you need to, just unpacks perfectly effortlessly. I like to wear this when I am going somewhere warm. Like I wore this when I went to Mexico. I'll show a picture here. I went with my girlfriends. I wore this outfit. Everybody loved it. I generally put a sweater around my neck and wear it with a little tank top so I can wear it open like a shirt or button it one. And once again, if I'm on an airplane, need that little neck warmth. It's just perfect. It comes in black. It comes in white. I'm gonna link it here. The price is great. This is one of those outfits that's so good for the summer. You can wear it at the pool. You can pull those pants on with a bikini. Wear it at night with a pair of heels. You're just gonna wear it all the time, and it's a bargain. It is really well priced, and it is something that I'm so happy I have in my wardrobe. I don't love to travel in a dress for many reasons. One is because I got stuck overnight in a city without my luggage, and I had been wearing a dress, and it was just so unpleasant. I need a pair of jeans, and I learned my lesson. I was in my 20s then, and I will never do it again. I really want to travel in a dress. I'm actually going to travel in a skirt, and I have paired a long black satin skirt. Skirt is from Zara. I will try to link something similar because I think this is at least a year old, but it's a little bit longer than most of the satin skirts. I appreciate that. I'm pairing it with a pair of sneakers because I want to be comfortable. I don't want to feel like I'm going to a fancy event when I'm traveling. I'm throwing it on with my cozy, yummy black sweater. On top of it, I've actually put on my big leather jacket. So this leather jacket is actually heavy. It's from Mango. I'm sure it's sold out. I will try to find it. If it's still anywhere, I will link it. But I love it because it's a brown jacket that is just a little bit deeper than a typical brown leather jacket. It can go with black, it can go with brown, and it's heavy, which means it's gonna keep me warm. However, it's never gonna go in my suitcase because that's just gonna take up way too much space, so it's something I'm gonna wear. So I'm gonna wear that with my black t-shirt and my black skirt, and that is about the extent to which I'm going to wear a dress on an airplane. I never would wear a mini skirt because I feel like airplane seats are just dirty and it's just not comfortable. Kind of sundress, I would have to have a sweater over it because I don't want to be too exposed. That's just me. I just need comfort all the time. Of course, the black skirt is going to travel with you really well because when you get to your destination, you can throw on your little black heels and a little black tank top and wear it to dinner. Super easy to wear. I definitely think it's worth bringing for sure if you're not wearing it on the airplane. I'm not going to wear it on the airplane, but I wanted to show you anyway. A lot of people like to wear sweatpants, like actual sweatpants on the airplane. My daughter does, but I always joke with her. I'm like, you look homeless. The way she throws on the hoodie and it's really big, oversized everything. It's like, I don't understand, but I found a really cute sweat set and this is it. And I wore it in Morocco. We'll show you here. It was just something so cozy and good to have. It's great on the airplane, especially if you're in a warmer climate. Then you're gonna get on the airplane. It's gonna be a little bit colder, especially if the destination you're going back to is cooler. I like this pair of sweats because it's a V-neck. And it's rare that you actually find a sweatshirt that is a V-neck, so I just thought it was really cute. It has a drawstring bottom. They're cut a little bit cropped. This comes in a ton of colors. It's so easy to wear. It's comfortable, it's warm, and once again, it's another one of those lobby outfits where you can run to the lobby, look pulled together, but you're not wearing typical gray like sports sweats. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. I love to hear from you. Follow me over on Instagram, where of course I do a lot more trying on and linking over there. And thanks so much for watching. I love you guys. See you next week.